We'll install an XCE 2000 series electronic keypad grade 1 cylindrical lock from Town Steel. This is the parts that are already laid out. We have a pictorial installation guide. This is what it looks like when it's already installed. Inside egress, outside lock, key override, keypad on the outside. Bring with it. So the first thing we do is put on the latch. And this is a T15 Torx. I could use the wrench that comes with the package. I drive these in, but I don't tighten them all the way until I get the lock body in. Grab the lock body. I have to put the cable in. There's a large and a small and a large connector. The small one goes on the outside. It can only go in one way. Okay, make sure you seat the cable all the way down. Okay. Now we're going to thread it through. The motor cable's got to go through the hole here, and the ribbon goes through up here. So as long as we do that, get everything in and align all the holes that are in here. And then we engage the latch on the inside. Okay, we put the inside mounting plate. This goes through up here, this goes down through here, and the motor wire goes through the grommet up here. Okay. So we put on the We have 3 upper screws and 2 lower screws. Goes in. I'm going to tighten up everything after I get everything aligned. And 3 screws. Okay. Tighten up the bearing with the spanner wrench. Tighten up the screws, and I can tighten up my latch now. Okay. Let me put on my outside lever. Rotate the key slightly, make sure everything's in. On the outside to do that. On the inside, I'm going to go ahead and put my batteries in my battery pack. Okay. Put these in the battery holder. Okay. Plug this into the receptacle down here. Make sure everything is seated. Tuck the cable back underneath. Okay. The battery, plug that in right over here. They only go in one way. Okay, plug the motor wire down on the bottom here. Seat. Okay. Put the inside bearing. Put the outside decorative bearing over that. Okay. And a small screw on the top to hold it in place at the top of the escutcheon. Okay. Put that done. Use your spanner wrench to go ahead and tighten. The bearing on the outside. Then slip the lever over the lever catch on the inside. Outside's locked, inside works, levers are secure, and the unit is installed. Always check your lock for function before shutting the door or locking the door. So you'll have to look at the programming guide how to program it, but when it comes from the factory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the master code, and that'll get you in until you change the code, and we recommend you change the code immediately.